हेलो पीपल, वेलकम टू इन्फिनिटी टेस्ट सीरीज़। तो आज हम कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। जैसा कि आपको प्रॉमिस किया था कि कंप्यूटर के टेस्ट्स हम प्रोवाइड करेंगे। सो दिस इज़ अ टेस्ट सीरीज़ स्पेसिफिकली फॉर JOAIT, जिसकी नोटिफिकेशन आई थी, फॉर्म्स फिल हुए हैं और अभी एग्ज़ाम है आपका मार्च में। एंड ऑल अदर गवर्नमेंट एग्ज़ाम्स में भी ये आपको हेल्प करेगी जिसमें कंप्यूटर आने वाला है। सो स्पेसिफिकली दिस इज़ फॉर JOAIT जूनियर ऑफिस असिस्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। तो 120 क्वेश्चंस हम डेली करने वाले हैं इस टेस्ट सीरीज़ में। सो कम स्टडी कंप्यूटर विद अस। सिंपली 3 स्टेप्स जो आपके रहते हैं, डाउनलोड कर लीजिए PDF, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए अपने टेस्ट को, और नंबर 3 वीडियो पर आकर आंसर्स को इवेलुएट कीजिए। इसमें एक और चीज़ है, टेस्ट प्रैक्टिस करते हुए आप अपने आंसर्स को एक पेपर पर लिख लीजिए ताकि आप इजीली अपने आंसर्स को इवेलुएट कर सके। शुरू करते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन के साथ। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ यूटिलिटी? कौन सा है यूटिलिटी सॉफ्टवेयर आउट ऑफ दिस 4? A is the answer, antivirus. Number 2, advantages of using assembly language rather than machine language are it is mnemonic and easy to read, addresses any symbolic, not absolute. Introduction of data to program is easier. So if we are using assembly language, then these all are right. ये सब कुछ हमें advantages मिल जाती है. Number 3, to properly exit Windows, click the stop button on the desktop, click the exit button on the desktop. Number C, select shutdown from start menu, or D, none of the above. Very simple, C is the right answer, shutdown from start menu. Number 4, dial-up connection allows you to connect ISP, इंटरनेट, सर्वर और ऑल ऑफ द अबव। डायल अप कनेक्शन जो होता है वो इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर को से आपको कनेक्ट कराता है। ठीक है, ISP इज इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर। नंबर 5, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डायलॉग बॉक्स? ए, इंटरैक्टिव मैसेज बॉक्स है ये। नंबर बी, ग्रुप ऑफ ऑप्शंस है, या फिर सेट ऑफ कंट्रोल्स है, या ये सभी है। आंसर इज डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। डायलॉग बॉक्स एक इंटरैक्टिव मैसेज बॉक्स के साथ साथ ग्रुप ऑफ ऑप्शंस और सेट ऑफ कंट्रोल्स भी है। नंबर 6, पेज स्टीलिंग इज अ साइन ऑफ एन एफिशिएंट सिस्टम। B, is taking page frame from other working sets. C, should be the turning goal. Or D, is taking layer disk space for page in, page out. Answer is B, is taking page frame from other working sets. Number 7, the function of dir or W is show all details of file, show only file name and directory name, shows only directory, or all of the above. B is the right answer, show only file name and directory, दो ही चीजें। Then 8th, you can move a window to a different position on your screen by dragging it by its move handle, tail, status bar or title bar. नंबर 8 का जो आंसर है दैट इज ए, मूव हैंडल। नंबर 9, व्हाट इज डॉक्टर वॉटसन? डॉक्टर वॉटसन क्या एक IT एक्सपर्ट है, डायग्नोसिस टूल है, सर्जन है, या नन? सो आंसर इज बी, डायग्नोसिस टूल है ये एक कंप्यूटर का। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एसेंशियल टू शट डाउन योर कंप्यूटर? A, save all opened files. B, close all running applications. C, switch off monitor. C, cut off the power supply. C ज़रूरी नहीं है, स्विच ऑफ मॉनिटर को स्विच ऑफ नहीं करना होता, वो अपने आप हो जाता है, बाकी सब कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट है। नंबर 11, विच इज़ नॉट एन एक्सटर्नल कमांड? एडिट, xcopy, sys, नन ऑफ द अबव। सो इसमें नॉट एन एक्सटर्नल कमांड, जो एक्सटर्नल कमांड नहीं है। So this is external, this is external, this is external, so none of the above. D is the answer. Number 12, the primary purpose of an operating system is to make the most efficient use of the computer hardware, to allow people to use the computer, to keep systems programmers employed, to make computers easier to use. A is the answer. You can use print manage window to check status of files in the print queue, to cancel the print job, to interrupt printing. अब जो प्रिंट मैनेज विंडो होती है उससे आप ये सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. The principle of structured programming forbid the use of while do, go to, if then else, do while. So answer is B, go to. Number 15, for Windows 10, Microsoft released in place of MS Paint, Paint 10, New MS Paint, Paint 3D और Universal Paint. तो ये आप देख सकते हैं कि पेंट 3D का ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है इन विंडोज 10 ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट. नंबर 16, अ बार दैट इन्फॉर्म यू द अवेलेबल ऑप्शंस इन योर कंप्यूटर, opened applications, background running applications, and can be used to switch between applications quickly is menu bar, toolbar, status bar or task bar. Answer is D, taskbar. Number 17. Which components appear in the initial Windows startup display? इनिशियल विंडोज स्टार्टअप डिस्प्ले में आपको टास्क बार सबसे पहले शो होती है. देन यू हैव 18th क्वेश्चन. टास्क बार इज यूज्ड फॉर नेविगेशन प्रोग्राम, स्विचिंग बिटवीन प्रोग्राम, स्टार्ट अ प्रोग्राम. D, all of the above. Number 19, to install the new font in Windows XP, your steps are A, start setting control panel, then font. Start, then setting, then control panel, then font, then install new font. So this is the way how you install the new font in Windows XP. B is the answer. Number 20, when a peripheral device needs immediate attention from the operating system, it generates interrupt, spool, stack or page file. Answer is A, interrupt. Then the next question is 21. A small part of taskbar that has icons of background running application is start button, quick launch, taskbar और system tray. D, system tray. जो आपकी taskbar होती है यहाँ पे start बटन होता है और उसके साथ यहाँ पे जो आपके प्रोग्राम्स चल रहे हैं वो गिवन होते हैं, इसको सिस्टम ट्रे कहते हैं. नंबर 22. An operating system version designed for use with a media center PC is Microsoft Windows XP का कौन सा एडिशन है वो जो मीडिया सेंटर के लिए है? वेरी सिंपल, बी, मीडिया सेंटर एडिशन. 23, an operating system version designed for use with a tablet PC is Microsoft Windows XP tablet PC edition. C is the answer. Number 24, which of the following is our external commands? Edit, label, SOS, all of the above. So ये सारी ही external commands है. Number 25, a bar that inform you the available options in your computer, opened applications, background running applications and can be used to switch between applications quickly is, ये हम कर चुके हैं पहले भी, task bar. Number 26, for Windows 10, Microsoft released Dash in place of MS Paint. This is Paint 3D. Number 29, what is the function of radio button? To select multiple option, to select single option, to select all option, all of the above. Radio button का B is the right answer, to select single option. पीछे कुछ क्वेश्चंस रिपीट हो गए हैं, सो सॉरी फॉर दैट. Number 30, once text has been cut to the clipboard, you can dash that text into another document. कॉपी के बाद पेस्ट कर सकते हैं आप. यहाँ पे कट जो है इसके बाद भी पेस्ट होता है. वेरी सिंपल थिंग्स दीज आर, कट, कॉपी, पेस्ट. Number 31, the question mark indicates in file searching a single character, a group of character, questions or none of the above. एक सिंगल कैरेक्टर होता है ये. Number 32, in DOS the maximum length of file name is. B is the answer. Maximum length 8 होती है in DOS. Maximum length is 8 for file name. Then 33, which of the following is not process states? Which of the following is not process states? New, running, ready or finished? D, finished कोई भी एक process नहीं है. New आपका is a process, running and ready, these all are the process states. 34th, we can start the application from log off, network place, recycle bin or run. So we can start it from run. D is the answer. Number 35, dash is an intermediate storage for deleted files. My computer, my documents, recycle bin. So very simple question. C is the answer. 36th, a program that converts a high level language program to a set of instructions that can run on a computer is called a compiler, debugger, एडिटर और ऑल ऑफ द अबव. कंपाइलर होता है जो आपकी हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज प्रोग्राम को एक सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस में चेंज करता है. नंबर 37, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग चेक्स कैन नॉट बी कैरिड आउट ऑन द इनपुट डाटा टू अ सिस्टम? ए इज कंसिस्टेंसी चेक, सिंटैक्स चेक, रेंज चेक और ऑल ऑफ द अबव. Answer is B, syntax check. Cannot be carried out on the input data to a system. Number 38. When a computer is first turned on or restarted, a special type of absolute loader is executed called a compile and go loader, boot loader, bootstrap loader or relating loader. तो वो जो स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट लोडर होता है दैट इज सी, बूटस्ट्रैप लोडर. नंबर 39, द एरर्स दैट कैन बी पॉइंटेड आउट बाय द कंपाइलर आर सिंटैक्स एरर्स, सिमेंटिक एरर्स, लॉजिकल एरर्स और इंटरनल एरर्स. जो कंपाइलर एरर्स को पॉइंट आउट करता है दे आर ए सिंटैक्स एरर्स. नंबर 40, the main function of the dispatcher, the portion of the process scheduler is. The main function of the dispatcher is swapping a process to the disk. Number B, assigning ready process to the CPU. C, suspending some of the processes when the CPU load is high. D, bring processes from the disk to the main memory. Answer for this question is B, assigning ready process to the CPU. 41, the term polling is in a computer means a process by which a computer system detects or corrects error. B, multiplexes the inputs and updates the memory accordingly, decides correct alternative by analyzing several ones, or inquires to see if a terminal has any transaction to send. Answer is B, multiplexes the inputs and updates the memory accordingly. Number 42, a form of code that uses more than one process and processor, possibly of different type, and that may on occasions have more than one process or processor active at the same time is known as multi-threading. B is the answer. Number 43, link encryption. A is more secure than end-to-end encryption. B is less secure than end-to-end encryption. C cannot be used in public network. D is used only to debug. Answer is B is less secure than end-to-end encryption. End-to-end encryption is more secure than link encryption. Number 44. Poor response times are caused by processor busy, high I/O rate, C high paging rates, और D any of the above. तो ये किसी भी वजह से हो सकता है. D is the answer, any of the above. 45. Which of the following is not a mode in starting Windows? कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट, सेफ मोड, नॉर्मल मोड और टर्बो मोड. तो ये टर्बो मोड है इसका. इस तरह का कोई भी मोड नहीं होता है जब विंडोज़ आपकी स्टार्ट हो रही है. देर आर कमांड, सेफ एंड नॉर्मल मोड्स ओनली. नंबर 46. विच फाइल सिस्टम विंडोज़ 95 टिपिकली यूज? विंडोज़ 95 यूज FAT32. B is the answer. Number 47. Which file system DOS typically use? So the DOS use FAT16. A is the answer. Which is not a valid file system? FAT16, FAT32, NTFS और FXG. तो ये D इसका आंसर है. इस तरह का कोई भी फाइल सिस्टम नहीं होता है FXG. Number 49. Generally, quick launch toolbar is displayed on the left side of taskbar, the right side of taskbar, on the middle of taskbar, a bar out of taskbar. So it is to the left side of taskbar. Quick launch toolbar is on the left side of taskbar. A is the answer. 50th. A dash is a flash memory storage device that plugs into a USB port. USB snap drive, USB flash drive, memory maker drive, or none of the above. B is the answer, USB flash drive. Number 51. A user interface that is easy to use is considered to be user happy, user simple, user friendly, none of the above. So this is known as user friendly. Number 52. Which of the following is system software? Operating system, compiler, utilities, or all of the above? Operating system is the system software. Number 53. Which type of command requires additional files to perform specific operations? Internal commands, external commands, valuable commands, or primary commands? Number 53 का आंसर एक्सटर्नल कमांड्स है. B. Number 54. A dash is a named location on a disk where files are stored. A folder है वो जहाँ पर named location on a disk where files are stored. Number 55. Access time is the highest in case of floppy disk, के स्वैपिंग डिवाइसेस और मैग्नेटिक डिस्क्स. मैग्नेटिक डिस्क का सबसे ज़्यादा होता है टाइम, एक्सेस टाइम. नंबर 56. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नेसेसरी टू वर्क ऑन अ कंप्यूटर? कंपाइलर, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, असेंबली और इंटरप्रेटर ऑफ द अबव. So B, operating system is the right answer. Number 57. Indicate which is a preemptive scheduling algorithm. Round robin, shortest job next, priority based, or all of the above. A is the answer. Round robin is a preemptive scheduling algorithm. Number 58. Which of the following might be used to convert high level language instructions into machine language? System software, application software, an operating environment, and interpreter. So D is the answer, and interpreter use होता है machine language को आपके पास high level language instructions को machine language में convert करने के लिए. Number 59. The term operating system means a set of programs which controls computer working, the way a computer operator works. Conversion of high level language into machine language, or the way a floppy disk drive operates. Answer is A, a set of programs which controls computer working. Number 60. What is the name of the system which deals with the running of the actual computer and not with the programming problems? Operating system, system program, object program, or source program? It's a operating system. Number 61. Round robin scheduling allows interactive tasks quicker access to the processor, is quite complex to implement, or gives each task the same chance at the processor, or allows processor bound tasks more time in the processor. So the answer is C, give each task the same chance at the processor. Number 62. In analyzing the compilation of PL or I program, the description, resolving symbolic address, and generating machine language associated with assembly and output, code generation, storage assignment, or syntax analysis. Answer is A, assembly and output. 63. If you want to execute more than one program at a time, the system software you are using must be capable of multitasking. D. Number 64. A relocate program form is one which cannot be made to execute in any area of A, B, C or D. इसका आंसर B है, consist of a program and relevant information for its relocation. Number 65. The dash provides information about hardware installation, configuration and hardware status. Answer is A, device manager. 66. Which of the following is not a part of the control panel? Date and time, my documents, add or program, D, display. So B, my documents is not a part of control panel. Control panel में आप settings करते हैं. Then 67. The Windows feature is the ability of computer to automatically configure a new hardware component. Is that auto detect, plug and play, add hardware, or none of the above? Answer is B, plug and play. Number 68. The shortcut key to open a task manager is Alt plus F1, Alt plus Control plus Delete, or Alt plus Tab, or F1. Answer is B, Alt plus Control plus Delete. Number 69. Which of the key is used to close the active window? Very simple, Alt plus F4, जो कि यहाँ given नहीं है. So none of the above. D. Alt plus F4 is the key to close programs. Number 70. Tree structure displays the file only, directory only, file and directory name, or none of the above. So answer is B, directory only. Tree structure में only directory display होती है. What is contained in page table? Base address of each frame and corresponding page number. Yes, A is the answer. Base address और corresponding page number होगा आपका page table में. Number 72. Virtual memory typically located on RAM, CPU, flash card, or hard drive. Virtual memory is in hard drive. Number 73. You can switch from one program to another on a desktop by clicking within the desired program window or by clicking on its dash button. Taskbar button, B. Number 74. Which of the following is not true about the description of a decision table? A decision table is easy to modify. A decision table is directly understood by the computer. A decision table is easy to understand. All of the above. Not true पूछा है हमारे पास, so B is the right answer. A decision table is directly understood by the computer. ये सही नहीं है. All others are true. That decision table is easy to modify, easy to understand. Okay. Number 75. The action of praising the source program into the proper syntactic classes is known as syntax analysis, lexical analysis, interpretation analysis or general syntax analysis? Answer is B, lexical analysis. Number 76. Which of the following statements is false? About of these, B is false, that is internal fragmentation is increased with small pages. बाकी सारे सही है. Number 77. Block cakes or buffer cakes are used to improve disk performance. Yes, A is the answer. Number 78. The process of transferring data intended for a peripheral device into a disk so that it can be transferred to peripheral at a more convenient time or in bulk is known as. Answer is B, spooling. Spooling is the answer. Number 79. World Wide Web is being standard by A, Worldwide Corporation, B, W3C, C, Worldwide Consortium, D, World Wide Web Standard. Answer is B, W3C. Number 80. We need to save our computer from viruses, time bombs, C, worms, or D, all of the above. Obviously D. Number 81. Which is built directly on the hardware? Computer environment, application software, operating system, or database system? Answer is C, operating system. Number 82. The dash contains commands associated with the My Computer window. Standard menu, start menu, system menu, or none of the above. Answer is C, system menu. Number 83. When you start up the computer, the boot up storage at which the BIOS versions, manufacturer, and data are displayed on the monitor is called bootstrap, power on self test, system configuration, or kernel loading. Answer is B, power on self test. Number 84. If there are multiple recycle bin for a hard disk, तो सिचुएशंस दी है आपको. यू कैन सेट डिफरेंट साइज फॉर ईच रिसाइकल बिन. यू कैन चूज विच रिसाइकल बिन टू यूज टू स्टोर योर डिलीटेड फाइल्स. यू कैन मेक एनी वन ऑफ देम डिफॉल्ट रिसाइकल बिन. नन ऑफ द अबव. आंसर इज ए, यू कैन सेट डिफरेंट साइज फॉर ईच रिसाइकल बिन. हर रिसाइकल बिन के लिए आप डिफरेंट साइज सेट कर सकते हैं. नंबर 85. If the displayed system time and date is wrong, you can reset it, write calendar, write file और control panel. रीसेट कर सकते हैं आप इसको बाय यूजिंग राइट और कैलेंडर और राइट फाइल और कंट्रोल पैनल. बी, कैलेंडर से आप कर सकते हैं. नंबर 86. Identify false statement. You can find deleted files in recycle bin. You can restore any files in recycle bin if you ever need. You can increase free space of disk by sending files in recycle bin. No, this one is wrong. So this will be the answer. You can right click and choose empty recycle bin to clean it at once. ये भी ठीक है. So C is the answer. Number 87. The operating system is the most common type of software. Most common type of dash software: communication, application, or system software. C, system software. Number 88. Dash is the layer of a computer system between the hardware and the user program. Operating system. Operating system software. Number 89. In analyzing the compilation of PL or I program, the term machine independent optimization is associated with recognition of basic syntactic constructs through reductions. B, recognition of basic elements and creation of uniform symbols. C, creation of more optimal matrix. Or D, use of macroprocessor to produce more optimal assembly code. Answer is C, creation of more optimal matrix. Number 90. Daisy chain is a device for connecting a number of controllers to a device. Okay. Connecting number of devices to a controller. B is the answer. Number 91, two basic types of operating systems are sequential and direct, batch and time sharing, sequential and real time, batch and interactive. आंसर इज डी, बैच एंड इंटरैक्टिव. दो तरह के बेसिक टाइप्स ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स है, बैच एंड इंटरैक्टिव. नंबर 92, द मोस्ट कॉमन सिस्टम सिक्योरिटी मेथड इज, मोस्ट कॉमन इज पासवर्ड, ए. Number 93, under multi-programming turnaround time for short jobs is usually dash and that for long jobs is slightly dash. Okay, so it is B, shortened and lengthened. Number 94, you can select my computer icon and press Alt plus Enter to delete it from desktop permanently, open it in Explorer mode, open System Properties dialog box, or pin it to Start menu. Answer is C, open System Properties dialog box. Number 95, the purpose of run command in Start menu is to launch Internet browser, open Internet Explorer, open Windows Explorer, or start programs. D, start programs. Number 96, to change the screensaver, you can go from control panel display, right click in desktop and properties, both of the above. C is the answer. 97, you can add or remove program. A, add remove program from control panel, delete the shortcut icon from desktop, both A and B, none of the above. So answer is A, add from control panel. Number 98, underlined character on the menu or dialog box known as hotspot, hotkey, pane, or underline word. So it is known as hotkey. B is the answer. Number 99, a graphical user interface displays graphics, text, both of the above or none of the above. Graphical user interface, both of the above. Number 100, small pictures appear on the desktop known as icon. B. 101, which of the following memory unit that processor can access more rapidly? Main memory, virtual memory, cake memory. C, cake memories. Number 102, dash shows characteristics with both hardware and software. Operating system, yes, A is the answer. 103, interface consists of things like program counter, register, interrupts, and terminal. A, hardware. Number 104, dash transforms one interface into other interface, that is a software. B. 105, system files allocated at, system files कहाँ allocated होती है? boot area. 106, driver is hardware controller, hardware and gain controller, data controller, all of the above. So a driver is a hardware controller. 107, backups should be done as several image copies followed by an incremental, no, D will be the answer, as several incrementals followed by an image copy. 108, multi-programming systems are easier to develop than single programming systems, or execute each job faster, execute more jobs in same time period. यहाँ पर ये थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन गलत हो गया है. यहाँ पर सिंगल प्रोग्रामिंग सिस्टम यहाँ पर होगा आपका, एंड ऑप्शंस आर बी, सी एंड डी. So answer will be C, execute more jobs in the same time period. 109, which of the following scheduling objectives should be applied to the following? The system should admit jobs to create a mix that will keep most devices busy. B will be the answer, to balance resource utilization. 110, the instruction register is a hardware memory device which which is a group of electrical circuits that perform the intent of instructions fetched from memory. B is the answer. 111. Non-modifiable procedures are called serially usable procedures, concurrent procedures, reentrant procedures, or top-down procedures. Answer is C, reentrant procedures. नॉन मॉडिफाइबल जो प्रोसीजर्स होते हैं उनको री एंट्रेंट प्रोसीजर्स कहते हैं. 112. What whole will allocate in Wo's fit algorithm of memory management? It allocates the smaller hole than required memory hole. It allocates the smallest hole from the available memory hole. It allocates the largest hole from the available memory hole. Yes, C is right. Number 113. Sleep is a good mode to use because it saves power, which is true in saving money. A is the answer. 114. Directory is similar to file, folder, item, or none. B is the answer. Folder. Directory is similar to a folder. Which of the following is the part of the operating system? 115. A cell, FAT, kernel, or disk? Answer is C. Kernel is the part of the operating system. 116. When we double click on my computer, show the content of your saved files, show the list of your computer drive, list of deleted files and folders, all of the above. B, list of your computer drive show करता है. 117. Which of the following is not true about documentation? Documentation of a system should be as clear and direct as possible. Documentation increases the maintenance time and cost. Documentation gives better understanding of the problem. Answer is C. Documentation gives better understanding. No, sorry. Answer is B. Documentation increases the maintenance time and cost. Answer is B. 118. Paging is a method of memory allocation by which the program is subdivided into equal portions or pages and core is subdivided into equal portions or blocks. This is right. So A is the answer. 119. Job control language, that is CL, statements are used to read the input from the slow speed card reader to the high speed magnetic disk. B, specify to the operating system the beginning and end of a job in a batch. B is the answer. जो जॉब कंट्रोल लैंग्वेज होती है वो ये स्पेसिफाई करती है एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में बिगिनिंग एंड एंड ऑफ अ जॉब इन दैट बैच. 120. Which of the following is not true about the memory management? Not true about memory management. A virtual memory is used only in multi-user systems. ये सही नहीं है, ये गलत है. So A will be the answer. Segmentation suffers from external fragmentation. ये ठीक है. Paging suffers from internal fragmentation. ये भी ठीक है. Segmented memory can be paged. Okay. So we are done with our 120 questions for today. Hope कि आपको ठीक लगा होगा ये. सो हम इसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे. अगर अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स रहता है तो वी विल डू एटलीस्ट 120 क्वेश्चंस एवरी सेकेंड डे. ओके, सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू गेट नोटिफिकेशंस एंड प्रैक्टिस एज मच PDFs एज यू कैन. डिस्क्रिप्शन में PDF लिंक्स गिवन है हर वीडियो के. सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.